guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna share with you 2 ways how to hide icons on your desktop. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So the first way that I want to share with you, as you can see here in my desktop, I have quite a lot of icons folders here. So if you right click on your desktop and you go to view, you will have the option that says show icons on desktop. If you have this checked, then of course you're seeing the icons, but if you uncheck that, then you realize that your icons disappeared. And if you want to show them again, you just simply right click, go to view and show icons. And these can be very useful, especially when you're doing a presentation and you don't want people to see what's on your desktop, or you're simply doing a screen record like myself and you don't want to show your desktop. Now, the second way I'm going to share with you guys is by simply utilizing a software by the name of Workspace Cover. It's absolutely free, and I'll be sharing this link within the description of this video. So you want to scroll down and you want to go ahead and download this zip file, and it's very small. You want to go ahead, once it finished downloads, as you can see mine is in my downloads folder, you can go ahead and extract that folder here, and you want to go ahead and ensure that you keep this folder safe. Right now, once you go ahead and extract that folder, you will see these following files, and all you have to do is just double click and run this workspace cover.exe file. And as you can see, once I double click on it, it basically blanked my screen, and I can go ahead and I can use my apps as usual. You can go ahead and you can present, but it actually block your screen. And as you can see here, you have this color, but you can easily go ahead and change the color to your liking. So how do you find that? You just simply click to the arrow on the lower right hand side of your screen and you'll find the app. You just right click on it, and from here you can set colors, so you can choose between different colors as you want. You just have to go ahead and select the color. So let's say I would like to use this color here, and I can just simply click on OK, and my screen will be blank. Now if you want to close this, you can simply go ahead, right click again and exit that application. You can also go ahead and check the box that says taskbar button, and you will see that it is added to your taskbar. So you can also have it in your taskbar as well. Now if you go ahead and you close this, you realize that it disappears when you no longer have that on your taskbar. But what if you want to have that application on your taskbar as one of those icons so that you can quickly access it? Once you close it, it disappears. So you have to go ahead and find that folder again, run that application by double clicking on it. On the lower right hand side, you want to right click on the app, click on taskbar icon. Once it appears there, then you want to right click on that and pin that to taskbar. So once you go ahead and you close that app, you will still have it on your taskbar. So keep this folder safe regardless, but this is how you can easily pin it to your taskbar, and once you need it, you can just simply click on that and it will work. However, it doesn't save the settings. As you can see, it changed the color there, so you'll just have to basically set the color to whatever you want each time you go ahead and use it. But if you're looking for something like this is a great choice guys that you can use. Otherwise, I would just suggest that you utilize the option that basically allows you to hide your icons on your desktop. So just simply right click on your desktop, go to view, and you can show icons or uncheck it to not show icons. But that's how you can easily go ahead guys and hide the icons on your desktop, so that you can easily present whenever you want and not have people seeing icons on your desktop. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.